Hello everybody, Mark Stepp here. Want to show you a way to create your routines in SAM very easily, very efficiently. In this case, I'm going to use a photography routine as an example. So this is just photography routine example is the title. We're going to do this for a new listing for real estate, and we're choosing the photography date as our important date. We can come up to the Let SAM Build It. And in the routine objective, I'm going to type in 5 simple words: real estate agent photography workflow. From there, down here at the bottom, we have an enhance objective with AI. We click on that and it will take those 5 words and extrapolate them out to a full-blown plan of what you would do. Now, this is just the description of what might be used. If you want to do something different, certainly type it in, make changes, whatever you want to with this. But this is a description of a routine that you would like to build. Once you describe it here, we click on generate. It will take that longer description and it will start building a mock layout for it, scheduling the photo shoot, conducting pre-shoot assessment, photography session itself, the image editing, delivery, and client feedback. So we're going to click on approve, and now it's going to start going through and it's going to start creating each of those activities as routine activities, and anything that is a SMS, a email. It will also create the templates that goes along with it. So here it's doing the templates. Now you could do this on any field, any date field, and goes through the process. So here, the photography process, the image shooting, conduct the pre-shoot assessment. You know, a lot of these are just things that need to get done. Schedule the photography itself, client feedback. If we go into the client feedback, take a look, follow up. Here's the client feedback template. Hope this message finds you well. Recently delivered your photography. And it goes through the process. It's created the merge fields and all the information that you need in it. So from 5 simple words, it's created the entire routine for your photography process. Would you want to create more things? Potentially. But now you've got a starting point that you can use to create an unlimited number of things as part of your routine process for photography, for staging, for whatever it is. You don't have to be real creative. You let AI do it for you. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, certainly reach out. We'll be happy to answer any questions. Have a great day.